Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are down by Ocean Boulevard and they have I'm not sure what's going on out here. Ascend Innovations, look like they are setting up some sort of tent structure out there. We're going to turn back around and investigate. But we're going to give you a tour of Ocean Boulevard today. And they're going to have a function or something. Ascend. Where have I heard that name already? Okay, over here, you can see them setting up some stuff. Like they're going to have a function or something out here. Out by Bank of Jamaica. Alright, so that's the ROK Hotel on the right. Now, Ocean Boulevard overlooks the Kingston Harbor. Or it's right beside the Kingston Harbor. This is prime real estate in Jamaica. Prime real estate. Some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are along this strip. That's the ROK Hotel. Beside it now is a residential building. That's the building on the right, which is Ocean Towers. It's among the 20 tallest buildings in Jamaica. If memory serves me, it could be in the top 10. But that list has changed recently because some new buildings went up. Now this one is the Office Center building, which is, I think that's where the UDC is. And then this one now on the right is the head office for Digicel in the Caribbean. And that's the Kingston Harbor on the left. The 7th largest natural harbor in the world. Now somebody had commented that Lucy also has a very large natural harbor. I don't know if anybody is aware of it. You can leave a comment in the section below. I doubt it's as big as Kingston Harbor but I'm not sure. I need to check it out. Alright, this is the same buildings. So this is what you call ocean front in Jamaica. Prime real estate. Now there was some heavy rain in Jamaica last night, but a natural harbor means the water in the harbor is not supposed to rise. I should have come down here last night to see what happened. But it doesn't look like there's any water damage on the road, so I doubt if there was anything there. Now over here is Ocean 7, where you have restaurants. Very nice facility. It actually has a pier. I think it's called the Victoria Pier, that overlooks the Kingston Harbor. Very nice view. Alright, so this is where the video started. As we said, they're setting up for some event over there. Okay, now this is the Bank of Jamaica building, which is the central bank for Jamaica. And then this building is a Scotia Center, which is, it was the second tallest building in Jamaica, but it's now the third because the list changed. The Rogers is now the tallest building in Jamaica at 20 floors, just to give you an idea. The Pegasus Hotel is the second tallest at 17 floors, and the Scotia Center is the third tallest at 16 floors. Alright, so this is now Harbour Street that we're going to turn right on. We are on Duke Street. If we continued straight, we would go up Duke Street to National Hero Circle. And Duke Street is very popular because it is where Garden House is located, which is where the Jamaican Parliament meets. However, they're looking to build a new building up by National Heroes Park. But they've been building that building, or they've been announced in building that building from probably 2012. So we'll keep you guys updated. We actually have videos up of where the building is to be located, but They haven't started yet. Okay, straight ahead is a new head office for Grace Kennedy, and then beside it to the right is Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. Now, to the right, that's the old Grace Kennedy head office. And this is the new one here. The blue building was the old one, and you just have to admire all the progress going on in Jamaica. Whether it's a government putting up roads or buildings, or the private sector putting up new buildings, Jamaica is definitely doing a very good job. Alright, that's the Jamaica Stock Exchange on the right. And then this is one of the old buildings. I'm assuming it used to be, it's the JPS Gold Street. I think that's where they had the first electricity in Jamaica, on Gold Street. Or in Kingston, because I know Black River, probably, I don't know if it was Gold Street or Black River that was first. Now over here on the right is one of those buildings that we were saying, tear them down, put up something new. That building has no historic value. It is a Kingston ice making building. Needs to come down. I mean, that is prime real estate. Oh my gosh. Overlooking the Kingston Harbour. I'm sure it's going to be torn down and a new building go up there very soon. J-Ray and Nephew announced that they were going to be putting up a new building at one of their old buildings on Harbour Street. So we'll keep you guys updated on that project. Now this is Port Royal Street, and this street was recently renovated. Very nicely done. Job well done. And they've actually painted on the right, you have the murals. Very nicely done. J-Ray and Nephew, excellent job. So this road actually takes you to the airport, so it leads you into the city of Kingston. Very nicely done. And they even built somewhere where you can park and go and walk on the boardwalk and even fish. So we're now going into Raytown, where you have the Raytown Fishing Village on the right. So when we talk about the progress going on in Jamaica, look at how they've renovated Port Royal Street all the way down to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building. It has literally changed the landscape in downtown Kingston. And we get a lot of comments when we post these videos about, well, yes, the roads, but what about the crime? I mean, every country has crime, but we're not a crime channel. We are a channel about driving around Jamaica. Oh, I guess there's still some water on the road here. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.